Good day everyone, and welcome to Mathspedia. Today we'll be solving this SAT math question that says what is 101 square minus 99 square. Now it is very easy due to the fact that this is a minus here, meaning that we are dealing with difference of two squares. So to make it so fast without us wasting too much time, we're going to go like this. So difference of two square means that if you have a square minus b square, it's giving us the sum of the two values multiplied by the difference. So in this case, we have 101 square minus 99 square is going to give us 101 plus 99 times 101 minus 99. That's just what difference of two squares is all about. So that will be equals to, we have 200 times 101 minus 99 is 2. 101 minus 99 is equals to 2. So 200 times 2 will give us 400. So the answer to this question is option B, 400. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.